how to install the Node.js to our computer for Windows 11 especially. So let's go and type the Node.js download. So from official website, we will download the Node.js. So this is the official website. Just click on the download. So since there is a two different types, one is for the LTS and one is for the current features. So since it's a long-term support, so we will go with this, and we are downloading the Node.js in Windows. So we are just clicking on Windows installer, and here goes. It's just downloading, so it's already downloaded. Let's open the files. And this is Node.js now. Just double click here to install the Node.js in our systems. It's preparing to download. Okay, now do the next. And I accept the term and in the license agreements. Next. So this is the locations, file locations where Node.js will be installed. The C drive with the program files, Node.js. So, but we can change that. It's depend on the users how they want to set up that files. Next, automatically install the necessary tools always, and then next. So we are in the install format. So let's install it. So yes. Now this we have to wait for some times to install. Okay, here goes. Uh, Completed the Node.js setup widget. So finish. So it's successfully set up. So it says press the key. So just press the enter. And again, it says like it wanna download the install the chocolatey.org package chocolatey over here. You can see here. So let's install all the packages. So enter again, and it takes a little some times. It's protect to not to download that packages because of the some security firewall. So anyway, now let's go and this command lines, and then we'll see. Okay, node version. So this will show the versions of the node that we installed. That is the latest one, that 18.14.2. Node version. Let's say npm version. Okay, it's a 9.5.0. So this is shows like we successfully um, download console.log. Hello. Console.log is not recognized as internal external command because we are opening on the cmd commands, right? So now let's go and open the nodes here. Here is Node.js. Okay. Just the one here. Console.log. Oh, now look here. So it's printing because this is a JavaScript. Node.js is in JavaScript versions, so it will so all the script of the JavaScript, whatever the commands you write in JavaScript will be let's display on here. Since like we can now import some required modules to run the like application here Node.js because it's a server side program. where you can run your applications by creating a server and requesting from the clients, and read the request and return a response. So, so normally, as we know, Node.js is a very powerful JavaScript-based platforms built by the Google's Chrome JavaScript V8 engines. So it is used to develop the I/O input-output intensive web applications with the video streaming sites, single-page applications, and other web applications. So Node.js is an open source, completely free, and used to 1,000 of developers around the world. So this is how we successfully install the Node.js. Thanks for watching the videos, and we will create a simple applications which we will run on the server and see how the Node.js works. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.